open our borders, our doors to the visitors, the visitor industry. Come May 1st, the governor is slowly opening the island up and allowing us some freedom in doing a lot of things. And the timing was perfect because come Sunday, many of us, it's been a family tradition for the family to get together for Easter. And so, based on the governor's guidance, 15 people. You
I just wanted us to listen in, peeps.
But as long as you follow the
Just a little COVID update.
social distancing, wearing a mask, and washing your hands. So I know a lot of you are to Easter. Finally, finally a holiday where you can actually bring family members. Many of you have large families. With my family, immediate family, we're relatively small, and so
The kids are home.
The 25.
Anna went to get her lashes done, and Wyatt lunch.
Well, we were squeezing it tight, but we were able to meet that 25. That's how.
There's my baby girl.
I always chose the outdoor dining just in case.
Yeah, and that's what we're doing now.
We're listening to the news.
Outdoor, we don't do the indoor anymore. And what we do is, one family, they have their own tables.
Mm-hmm.
And,
All right, well, you get the
the
gist.
kids have their own table.
No. I mean, like. People
Well,
that
what
live
I
in
was
the
actually
house, they
trying to
have
get
their own
from this
okay.
report was I was just waiting for Wyatt to show up. He's still
for when we get food,
coming up, probably going out to the back.
we don't mingle. Yeah, we don't.
Uh,
Well, we don't mingle.
Something about opening up the island slowly because I know that our car score is below 2 and we haven't gotten anyone, our numbers hasn't gone up or anything. We're really, really low. So our island is really doing good. Congratulations to everybody out there who's doing their part in keeping the coronavirus at bay. And so now we're talking about possibly opening up to the tourists soon. All right? Or at least opening up where they don't have to be quarantined. And I guess that has to do with the... Yes, my baby. There they are. Yes, babe? Okay. All right, peeps. I'll let you go. That's about the news. All right? Just slowly opening up, hopefully, the tourists. Okay? All right, peeps. Happy Easter. Take care and happy Good Friday. Talk to you later.